Our engines are a revolutionary step forward in energy technology, offering significant advantages over traditional designs. By eliminating the need for numerous complex and costly parts, they streamline the manufacturing process, making production more efficient and cost-effective. The simplicity in design also means that maintenance is greatly reduced, leading to lower long-term operational expenses. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of our engines is that they do not rely on conventional fossil fuels to function. This not only eliminates fuel costs, but also removes the dependence on fluctuating global fuel markets, ensuring a stable and predictable source of energy. The absence of fuel requirements translates into immediate financial savings, operational efficiency, and a stronger position in a market that increasingly values sustainability. Perhaps the most critical benefit lies in the environmental impact. Unlike traditional engines, which emit harmful toxins and contribute to air pollution, our engines produce no emissions. They operate without releasing pollutants or greenhouse gases, supporting global efforts to reduce carbon footprints and combat climate change. This makes our technology an ideal solution for industries and governments alike that are looking to meet stringent environmental standards while maintaining high-performance capabilities. By adopting our engines, you are not just investing in a more efficient and cost-saving technology, but you're also making a commitment to a greener, more sustainable future. Our engines provide the perfect balance between cutting-edge innovation, economic advantage, and environmental responsibility, creating a win-win scenario for businesses and the planet alike.